A fan is a cool tool that helps us stay comfortable. It's a machine that moves air to make a breeze, especially on hot days. Fans come in many shapes and sizes, like ceiling fans, table fans, or big tower fans. They have blades or parts that spin fast to push air around, cooling us down by helping sweat dry on our skin. Long ago, people used hand fans made of feathers, paper, or leaves to stay cool. They waved them with their hands. Now, electric fans are common in homes, schools, and offices. Some fans are quiet, while others hum softly as they work. You can find fans in fun colors or designs, like ones shaped like animals for kids' rooms. Fans don't just cool us, they can also move stuffy air out or bring fresh air in. In summer, they're a kid's best friend during playtime or naps. To use a fan safely, keep fingers away from the blades and always ask an adult to plug it in. Fans are simple but super helpful, making hot days feel nice and breezy for everyone.